Samsung MS23F301TAK is a 23-liter solar microwave oven designed to enable healthy, homemade meals in just minutes. This feature-rich microwave includes 20 preset cooking modes to prepare fresh food swiftly and conveniently, eliminating the need for ready-to-heat convenience foods. A notable highlight of this microwave oven is its smooth ceramic interior. Designed for longevity, this scratch-resistant and antibacterial interior is easy to clean and maintains its appearance over time without discoloration. In terms of energy efficiency, the Samsung MS23F301TAK shines with its Eco Mode setting. This feature significantly lowers standby power consumption, reducing energy use and thus contributing to cost savings on energy bills. To ensure consistently well-cooked dishes, it utilizes a triple distribution system. This system delivers microwaves through 3 slots in the oven cavity, promoting broader coverage and more accurate heat distribution. Aesthetically, this oven enhances any kitchen with its sophisticated design. It features a black glass front encased in a hairline pattern exterior, complete with a matching handle. A crystal blue display and a detailed silver dial add a touch of elegance to the overall design. In summary, the Samsung MS23F301TAK microwave oven combines functionality, energy efficiency, and style, making it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen.